Good afternoon from the Crafty Nana. First of all, before we do any of the anythings, I just want to say a big thank you. Last week I tried out a new way of doing this and did it with like one item and styled it in 4 different ways, and I asked for comments. Ooh, the ghost just left the room. And you were fantastic. I got lots of comments, lots of helpful feedback. I love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, today is going to be a tale of 2 skirts, 1 top, and accoutrements. So, with no further ado, let's get on with the first outfit. So, this skirt I thrifted a while back. And I thrifted it with the top, and I thought, yeah, those will work together. And I'd done a beautiful charcoal grey pinstripe skirt, and I thought it looked so smart, and I really liked it. And I thought, yeah, this will be interesting because it's a colour I don't wear very often. It's different. I do like a pinstripe. Now, I haven't bothered to iron it. That's just me, I'm afraid. But I think it's really cool, and because it's got the black and the white in it, it gives me the opportunity to play with things. And this scarf I'd also thrifted a while back and never found anything I could quite put it with because it's not white, it's off-white. But it's so beautiful. Indian, sheer, floaty, tasseled skirt. But it picks up the stripes in this skirt absolutely brilliantly. The top was another problem. This top had huge ruffles all the way down both sides, right over the shoulders and all the way down the back. In fact, these are those ruffles that I've tied around my waist. They were huge and they were dangly all the way, and it was just awful. I have taken a photograph. I will give it to my husband to put in. Whether he does or not is another matter. But I took a photo. I couldn't wear it, and it took me a long time to figure out what I was going to do. And I was thinking I would have to unpick it all, and then I'd have to sew it all up, and it was going to be a huge kerfuffle. And in the end, I just took the scissors to it, and I cut it off, and it looked fine. And I thought, well, that's a win. All this time I've been, putting it off, and it was just a pair of scissors. So I cut off all this voluminous fabric, and I really like this cut work. It's very boho, it's very chic, it's rather nice. It does make choosing your bra a little risky because not easy. If you've got a nice flesh colour, you're fine, but fresh colour is very rarely flesh colour. But this is how this outfit came together. So let me give you a little twirl and then we'll come back up close for the details. So now you can see it's a lovely heavy linen with all this beautiful cut work and stitching in designs all the way up the front. It's got plain sides and a plain back and buttons all the way up the back. It's a gorgeous terracotta. And I've put it with my favourite big black beetle with the huge tiger's eye beads and the natural pearls. I put a little fossil at the bottom here, and I just thought that this picked out the natural tones as well as the dark and the light. So we've got pearls for the light and the black for the black, and it just worked, I felt. And I've got the matching earrings that I made with it, which is slightly bigger than the second set I did, which just had the beads, but I just thought, well, why not? Why not? Rings, outrageous. This arrowhead one, I think this was Abergavenny in the charity shop. This one I've had a while. I can't even remember where I got this one. But I have got matching earrings to go with this, but they are huge, big chandelier jobbies. I didn't think I'd go that far. As I said, this scarf is just beautiful. Cost me 3 ringgit. This was from the Jalan, Japan that's on the other side of the city. So the one out near Senai. It's very pretty. very, very delicate, very delightful, and I'm glad to have the chance to wear it. So, this is the first way I am putting this together. Hair up with my scrunchies. They work. They really do work. Shall I pull back one more chance for the full length? Go for it. We'll have a quick flash of the full length and then we'll move on to the next version. Ta-da! So, to give it a more summery feel, big oversized white shirt. I love having this in my wardrobe. It's really good chuck over in the summertime. This top is sleeveless. It's got just like little cap sleeves. So I probably wouldn't go somewhere smart with my arms up, especially as I live in a Muslim country. It's not really, it's not the done thing. I think, again, because you've got the black and the white stripes in the skirt, the white works just as well as the black. And it's a bit more cash and a bit more summery. So I put on more summery sandals. I have put a scarf with it just because the scarf is so damn beautiful. I want to show the scarf off. Changed out my jewellery. So now I'm wearing the jewellery that I thrifted in Thailand. And when we come in close, I'll show you the earrings I've made to match. So yeah, same outfit, but basically a completely different vibe. A much cooler, much more relaxed, much more summery vibe. These wooden beads make it much more boho. It's funky. So should we come in close and have a look at the details? Big floppy baggy shirt, lovely and cool. Wooden beads with little black caviar beads inside. So I made my own to match. I resined little rectangles and I put little beads in them. The odds, both, I mean, they don't look exactly the same, but I quite like that. And I've hung little wooden beads from them. I did a little bit of soldering to put the little silver loops on, put the silver round it to pick up the silver frames on these ones. And the wooden beads hopefully reflect the chunky, lovely wooden beads with this. But I think this is a good necklace for this outfit. I think it makes it much more boho, much more relaxed. Scarf is a little over the top, but oh, it's such a beautiful scarf, and it has all the right colours, and it picked out the white, the black, and the terracotta, and any excuse to wear something gorgeous. It literally sparkles. It's so pretty. But to be honest, this is a smart outfit with nothing. Just for a summery. And this is such a pretty top with all this lovely cut work. You could actually even take the bits you cut off and just wear it round just to bring the colour down the front of the white if you wanted to. Lots of things you could do to play with this to make it work. And you've got all this extra fabric and still got a belt. So, this is outfit number 1 today, but is also number 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3. Okay, so number 3, same top, but we've now swapped out the skirt. So the last skirt was 10 ringgit, this skirt was 10 ringgit. So both of them under £2. This one's actually brand new with tags, and it's from a company called Heart Market. And originally this was 3,900 yen. So, under £2 now. The stripes in this skirt are exactly the same colour as this top. And the jacket has the same blue but with black. Now, I know that this is really a bit out there, the big plaid with the smallest plaid, but I just felt that this was really funky and a little bit crazy. And I know that some of my ladies out there, some of you, and you know who you are, do like to get a bit funky. Don't want to play it safe. Quite happy to be a bit wild. And this is a bit wild, but it's so fun. Now, I put it with the jewellery that I thrifted in Bangkok, in the market where I had to do all the diving into the piles of stuff. I did originally make these earrings so that they were on hooks, but I switched them out to posts, and they do hang an awful lot better. But this blue picks up the skirt blue absolutely perfectly, and I'm really pleased with it. And I think this outfit is an outfit. Do we like it? I think we like it. How can we not like it? It's very cool. So this is our number 3. Let's come in and have a look at the details. This is the necklace. I added the bug. I added the little bits of sparkle on the bug. I found these silver bits that match perfectly on a belt, and put bugs on them to match this one. And I love them. I really do. I think they're really, really nice. A useful colour. I do like this particular shade of blue. I've just put one of my slumped glass rings on. My melted marbles, which I added a bit of that lovely glowing blue to. Simple, but so funky. I mean, you could have a plain blue t-shirt, plain blue navy t-shirt underneath, but I think that would be, you know, that would lose all that lovely rust colour going down through the skirt. So let's try it another way. So there were 1,000 ways I could have put this with different t-shirts, different jackets, different tops, but I think you get the you get the idea. I like this skirt. I've got a few of these sort of high-waisted, full 1980s skirts, and of course, that was a period when I was a young woman, and I liked them, and it's nostalgic for me. But you know, it's a thing. If you do like them, that's great. If you don't, you know, I'm sure there's a different skirt you could put together. So I've just put on a little fitted jacket this time, belted it in. Very glad to see that the belt was 3 doubles smaller than it was last time I used it. Here's the look. I like this. Very different to the crazy check jacket. That was really funky, really comfy. This is much more almost new look, isn't it? With the full skirt and the waisted fitted jacket with the shoulder pads. Very, very different look. I've put the jewellery on that picks out the copper and the blue to pick up the skirt and bring it up. And little earrings that I made to match it. Put a huge, huge chunk of ring on, but I'll show you those up close. Come in and have a look. So, same beetle as the black beetle that I was wearing earlier, but this time I put it onto a very chunky necklace, and the beads are striped in terracotta and blue and grey, which works perfectly with this skirt. The beads were thrifted as well, Jalan, Japan, as was the jacket. No, this jacket was in the 30 ringgit haul, wasn't it? No, this was a 30 ringgit from B&H Mart. 30 pence from B&H Mart. So £2.25 for the lot, maybe? Not bad, hey? Not bad at all. So yeah, matching earrings, a huge, huge, huge crystal ring, and a little bit of smoky topaz on the other hand, just for fun. Just because the top's quite straight and austere, I think you can have a bit more fun with your jewellery. So, a tale of 2 skirts, 1 top, and various different accoutrements. I think it all worked rather nicely. I don't think any of the outfits were lacking. I think they're all good ones. I hoped you liked it. As I said, I could go on adding different tops and t-shirts and all sorts all day long. This blue skirt I absolutely adore, and I know that I'm going to get plenty of wear out of it. Get in your wardrobe, Get out your stuff, see what you've got, try it different ways. Try jackets with nothing underneath. If you've got a big pendant to cover up your buttons, even better, you know, if there's a little bit of pull, but this isn't quite loose on me, so I don't think I need to worry about pull. You know, have a bit of fun with what you've got. I like this. So, I will be back next week. I've now got to work out what I'm doing. That will be the rest of the afternoon. And as it's thundering, the thunder is rumbling away. What is it about filming afternoons? The thunder is a thundering out there again. So I will spend my time working out what's coming up next. I will see you then. I'll see you on Wednesday. There's still stuff from my trip coming out. I did do some fun things. I put up the video of the supermarket thinking that nobody would be interested, and it's doing really, really, really well. But it's so interesting to see what other places have that you don't have. And in China, they've got so much lovely fresh fruit and vegetable, and then all the sort of the nuts and the grains and the dried pulses, but they don't have all the ready meals. They don't have your lasagnas, your Kievs, your frozen department. I mean, you can get a few bao buns and a bit of meat to go in your hot pot, but there are no convenience fast food in that respect, because for them, fast food is to get your wok out, cook some noodles and eat them. TV dinners don't exist, as far as I can see there. It really is, you know, it's pot noodle, it's a TV dinner. So it's very, very different. And you know, it's interesting. It is interesting. And certainly the amount of live things is also interesting, not in a good way. But anyway, so you know, I'm always interested to find out what people will watch and what they won't. And I was surprised. I didn't think people would, and they definitely have. So I keep putting things out. You never know what's going to work, what's not going to work. In the meantime, my lovelies, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're ruffling through your cupboards. I will be back next week with another lot of outfits that I have mixed and matched and played with. For now, bye-bye. See you soon. Love from the Crafty Nana.
It's a crafty Nana, thrifted fashion haul and